Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the beginning letters. Name each picture and circle the beginning letter. Do you know what is this? Grapes. These are grapes. What is the beginning letter of grapes? Means the first sound of grapes. First sound of grapes is G. G, and G is the sound of G. Okay. What is this? This is an insect. What is the first sound of insect? It's I. Insect. And I is the beginning sound of I. Okay. This is an ink pot. What is the first sound of ink pot? It's again I. So it's the sound of I. So we will circle the I. This is a hat. The first sound of hat is H. 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 This is a house. H, house. The first sound of house is H. And this H is the sound of H. Circle the H. Okay. This is a guitar. It's a musical instrument. And guitar first sound is G. And G is the sound of G. G, G. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Take care and goodbye.